Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Nouvelle is a small municipality in Quebec's Gaspé region, located along the southern shore of Chaleur Bay. It sits between Carleton-sur-Mare and Pointe-à-la-Croix and offers beautiful views of the bay and the Appalachian Mountains. The municipality has a population of about 1,700 people and is known for its coastal scenery, outdoor recreation, and strong connection to the natural environment. Although it is a small community, Nouvelle serves as an important center for nearby rural areas. The region has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. They traveled throughout Chaleur Bay and the Restigouche Valley, relying on the area's rivers, forests, and coastline for food and transportation. French settlers later established permanent communities here during the 18th century. Fishing, forestry, and agriculture helped shape Nouvelle for generations. The sheltered waters of Chaleur Bay supported commercial fishing, while the surrounding forest supplied timber to local sawmills and larger wood processing operations throughout the region. Small family farms also became common, producing hay, dairy products, vegetables, and livestock. Although these traditional industries have changed over time, they remain an important part of the municipality's history and identity. Nouvelle is perhaps best known for Miigwech National Park, located within the municipality. The park contains one of the world's most important fossil sites from the Devonian period and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Fossils discovered here have helped scientists better understand the evolution of fish and the earliest vertebrates to move onto land. Local festivals, farmers markets, and community events bring residents together throughout the year. French is the primary language spoken here, although many people also speak English because of the community's proximity to New Brunswick and the long history of interaction across the provincial border. Housing in Nouvelle remains relatively affordable compared with many parts of Canada. Depending on the size, age, and location of the property, the average detached home typically sells for between $200,000 and $280,000. Waterfront homes and larger properties may sell for more, but overall the municipality offers good value for buyers looking for a coastal lifestyle in eastern Quebec. Today, Nouvelle combines a rich natural heritage with a strong connection to the sea, the forests, and the surrounding countryside. From its indigenous history and French roots to its internationally recognized fossil site and scenic coastline, the municipality offers visitors a chance to experience one of the quieter but historically significant communities along Chaleur Bay. Thanks for watching!